Students, continue the construction chapter, exercise 6.2, third sum. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Start your neat construction. First step. Taking any point O on the given plane as center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. OR center, measure 3 cm as radius and draw circle. OR center, measure 3 cm radius and draw a circle. As they have given in your textbook, take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Take one of its diameter PQ and extend it on both sides. Locate 2 points on this diameter such that OR equals OS 7 cm. From OR center 7 cm. From OR center another side 7 cm. Extend the diameter on either side 7 cm and 7 cm. 3 plus 4 7. This side 3 plus 4 7 cm. So total distance will be 14 cm. Name the line as PR and S. S. Again I am repeating. Take one of its diameter PQ and extend it on both sides. Locate 2 points on this diameter such that OR equals OS 7 cm. OR equals OS 7 cm. Next, bisect OR. Take 3/4 of the line OR. Bisect line OR. Bisect line OS. Bisect OR OS. Join the arcs. Bisect OR and OS. Bisect OR and OS. Join the arcs on either side. Join the arcs. Draw the line. Join the arcs. Let it intersect. Let the line intersects OR and OS at T and U. Let it intersect on the line OR and OS at the point T and U. As T as center, taking T and U as its center, and with TO and UO as radius, draw 2 circles. Taking T and U as its center and with TO and UO as radius, draw 2 circles. Taking T and U as its radius, draw 2 circles. U as radius, draw circle passing through the point O and S. Let these 2 circles intersect at the point VW xy, VW and xy. Now you have to draw 3 circles. Then join RV, RW, write W properly, RW, join RV, RW, SX and SY. These are the required tangents. Now the required tangents are RV, required tangents are RV, RW, SX, SY. When you measure the tangents, you can find the tangents are equal. Continue exercise 6.2, fourth sum. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Try to draw a neat construction. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm with O as center. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm with O as center. Name the center as O. Take any point A. Take any point A on the circumference of the circle. Join OA. Join OA. Draw radius OB making an angle 120 degree. How to draw 120 degree? It's 180 minus 60 equals 120 degree. The opposite angles of a quadrilateral are supplementary. So when the angle between the tangents are 60, the angle between the radius is 120. Measure 120 at the point center. Join the line and name as OB. Draw radius OB making an angle 120. So 120 degree calculation is written by the side. You can have a look. The next, draw a perpendicular to OA and OB. Draw a perpendicular to OA and OB at point A and point B. Have a look how the construction is done. Accordingly, you can draw the construction. If you don't know to construct, please keep your protector on the line OA and OB. Measure the angle 90 degree at the point A and B. Now, your teacher has drawn the tangent at point A, perpendicular line at point A and B. At A it's finished, at B, so keep a protractor and measure 90 degree. This is another way of measuring 90. Either by marking the semicircle and arcs you can draw 90, or from the point B keep a protractor and measure 90. Any method you can construct 90 degree at point A and B. Let both the perpendiculars intersect at point P. Let both the perpendiculars intersect at point P. PA and PB are the required tangents. PA and PB, PA and PB are the required tangents at an angle of 60 degree. At an required tangents at an angle of 60 degree. So angle P is 60, angle B is 90, angle A is 90, angle O is 120. When you measure all the four angles, it is 360 degrees. So we have drawn a pair of tangents to a circle of 5 centimeter inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree.